Hey everybody, this is Peter and welcome to the show today. Well, today I'm going to be showing you a new product in the market. It's made by a company called Euhomy, E-U-H-O-M-Y, and it is a new crescent size ice maker. This is a countertop unit and it makes about 30 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period. This is a nice product to have if you have parties in your home where you need extra ice, and also if you have a big family. This could also be a blessing to have in your home when you need more ice. So let me show you how this works. It's really easy and it makes some great ice. Has some nice features too. You ready? Let's go. Okay, let me get on this side of the ice maker and I'll show you the different components. This is the ice tray, and this can come out and be poured into a bag of ice that you wish to hold the ice in, or it can just simply be put into your freezer. Now, as the ice sits here, it's going to continue to melt. It's going to drop down into a drip tray, and that water will get circulated back into the machine. Over here, we have the container for the water, and they recommend that you use filtered water. This holds 1.8 liters, so we'll be putting some water here in a bit. Now, to turn this thing on is right up here. Here's the power button. Right here, we'll turn it on. And you'll see that this is getting ready. It's going to go through a defrosting stage at first, and then when it's ready to go, it'll give us an indication that it's ready to go. Over here, we can dictate the size of ice, whether we want it to be larger or more thick or more thin. It has 3 stages: thick, medium, and then a thin ice. And over here is just the light for the machine. So as you can see, the blue light is turned on now, and as it starts to make the ice and fill up, once it has enough ice in the bucket and wants you to take some ice out, it's going to turn a different color. I believe the color turns to pink. All right, let's get this going, and we'll get some water in here, and I'll come back and show you how the ice is progressing. We're going to have, I believe, 16 cubes of ice in about 15 minutes time, more or less. Now today I'm using bottled water. If you have a filtered water system on your drinking water at home, you can use water right out of the tap. Just for purposes of showing you this, I'm just using bottled water. And this is going to give us the most clear ice available. If you have a lot of minerals in your water, as some people do, you may wish to use distilled water or bottled water. About halfway through, halfway filled rather. Okay, there we go. Now the other thing to know is that this will not work if you don't push it all the way in. So we're going to make sure we connect it all right through there. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes once this has started to produce some ice for us. I'll give you the time, and then we'll go ahead and go through the next steps. Be right back. It's going through a defrosting stage right now. You can see that blue light is blinking on the machine. Now once it starts to stay solid, that's when it's going to actually start making the ice for us. You can see that the blue light is solid, and you can see that the machine has turned on as far as starting to pour the ice over the condensing unit in the back. It's also making a noise, and that's what's going to be freezing the ice for us. You can tell that it's very quiet, and you could easily be having conversations over this with no problem whatsoever. I would tell you also that the unit is fairly heavy, weighs about 22 pounds or so. I have had ice machines, countertop ice machines in the past, and they have been very light. I think they were just all plastic. That's not the case with this one. This blinking light you see on top of the ice maker tells us how many more minutes it will be before you have ice. So right now it's blinking 6 minutes, and then in 6 more minutes we will have the batch of ice ready. All right, I'll be back and show you the ice whenever it's ready. Okay, the first pieces of ice have dropped, and it took about 17 minutes, and you can see what a nice shade of very clear ice that this is producing. And also here's the shape. Now, let's say that I want to make them more thick. I can come up here and just simply press this and make them more thick. Right now it's going through a defrost stage, and it will start producing the next set of ice cubes in just a few minutes. Okay, the machine has gone through 4 stages of creating the ice. The bin is about halfway full. That has taken about 45 minutes, so not too bad. Now I'm just going to set this machine aside and just show you a couple of drinks, just simple ice water and iced tea. And so I'll get that set up for us. I'll be right back. Okay, I just want to set up a couple of drinks for us and show you the beautiful ice. And this comes with a ice scoop, so you can reach inside and grab some ice. And again, this machine will make about 30 pounds of ice in about 24 hours time. Now you do have to come in and empty out this ice bucket, so that's going to be important. So here, look at that beautiful ice, and you can see just how pretty it is. Very clear. Remember, I used bottled water for that. So let me just set up this with some iced tea on this one. And it's really nice and clear, as you can see. Looks great. Very clear in the ice. I'm just going to fill this one up with some water, and I'll be right back. All right, my friends, here we go. You can see just how nice that looks. Everything looks fantastic. The ice is super clear. This is just the water, and this is the iced tea one. And as I said already, this will make about 30 pounds of ice in 24 hours. And also what I do whenever the ice the ice bin gets full, I'll just put the ice in a plastic bag like this and just set that in the freezer and let it continue to go on and make some more ice as well. All right, by the way, if you have an interest in getting one of these Euhomy ice makers, I do have a code for you, which will be a discount code that you can use with the link down below in the description area, and that'll help you save a few dollars if you would like to do that. All right, I want to thank Euhomy for sending me this unit to show you. Very nice unit, and I'm sure it would do great for you in your home as well. Hey, well, thanks again for watching the video today. I really do appreciate it. Please do me a favor. Please give me a like, a thumbs up like this, press that button, and also if you're not a subscriber already, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Well, I hope you'll like this ice maker. They have several varieties, by the way. They even have one that has an app you can use from your phone. It'll let you know whenever the ice is ready to go. All right, thanks again for watching. See you next time.